What's up, my beautiful people? My name is Lydia Vera. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video is going to be a DIY. It's been long since I did a DIY, so I just thought like today I'm going to do a DIY. Sorry about that. So today is going to be a DIY. Basically, I'm going to be redoing a jacket that I have. The jacket is just sad and ugly. I rarely wear it. It's not ugly, but I rarely wear it. It's just basic. So today I just want to make it pop, make it look good so that I can wear it or sell it, whichever. And so I'm just going to paint. Oh my God, let me just not talk too much. I'm just going to paint a denim jacket. That's it. So if you want to see me paint my denim jacket, revamp it, stay tuned. So for my supplies, I have a bunch of paint brushes, thrifted. These are thrifted. There are a couple of paint brushes, different sizes. And I also have a paint palette. I also thrifted this one. I also have a bunch of acrylic paints, different colors. I also thrifted these ones, by the way. I thrift a lot because I sell clothes online, thrifted clothes, that is. So thrifting is part of me, it's part of my life. So these are all thrifted. And the good thing about thrifting is that reduce your carbon footprint, and also you get things at a very, very affordable price. Like I got this for way cheap. This one, I think it was 50 bob. These ones were 100 shillings. These ones were like I think I got these for 50 bob, like 4 of them 50 bob. And then I got, I think, this one for 50, this one 50. So it's way cheaper than what you get acrylic paints on the streets. So let's go on to the tutorial. So I first started by just highlighting what I wanted to like write on the denim jacket. And so this is what I want the denim jacket to look like. I'm going to highlight it, then paint it. So first, what I'm going to do is just to like put the colors I'm going to use on my paint palette. Just smeared some, just small, so that we conserve them. Paint palettes like Nini are expensive. Acrylic paint. Oh, why is this not coming off? Okay, I think this one has it was okay. This one is thick. This pink one is thick. So, and then I'm going to, I think I'm going to use this one's first. This is pink and blue. So let me get onto the painting. Let me just paint. I think I'm going to paint the inside blue. Then the Such a Babe, I'm going to paint it pink. I think that would work. So let me just show you what I'm going to do. This is the progress so far, and I'm loving it. I'm still going to touch it up a bit, so I just want to paint the pink, then do the final touches on it. But it's coming on so great. We are finally done, guys, and I'm fucking exhausted. Like, we're done. This is what I managed to do. So let me let it dry